we're gonna be doing. We're gonna swim with the manatees. I'm really excited. We have friends, Bruce and Karen from Oregon, and then Karen's brother. They flew in to Florida and they're meeting us here tomorrow for a manatee swim. And we actually, this is a harvest host, so River Ventures in Crystal River, Florida. Never been here before, never swam with the manatees. Pretty excited.
I can tell.
I'm all about the animals.
Looks like a group just got back. Just a bunch of people in wetsuits just
Yeah, so I'm surprised that this is not on the river, but it looks like they shuttle you. You get your little wetsuits on and then they shuttle you to the river. So I guess we better go in and check in. They close here in an hour or so.
There's a pizza place right there.
Yeah, we are hungry, right? Oh, seafood something and cafe.
Cellar. Okay.
Okay, we might have to take a little walk around too, but let's go check in first.
All right.
See where we park for the night. Okay, this is where we are for the night, and we meet our friends. They're at 10:15 sharp tomorrow. They shuttle us over to the river. We take a boat. I think it's a 3-hour tour. Oh my gosh.
What did you say?
It's a 3-hour tour.
A 3-hour tour.
Yeah, should I be concerned? I just thought of that. Yes, I'm really excited. We gotta take this little peanut for a walk. Okay, it's time. We're going in River Ventures. We have to be fitted for wetsuits. We're with Bruce and Karen. You guys have met before, and this is Karen's brother Phil. Right? Did I do that right?
Yep.
Okay. I remembered someone's name. So the two gentlemen here are not going to be getting in the water, but Dave is, because we gotta swim with some manatees. Let's go get our wetsuits.
I'm Batman. Catwoman.
I can't breathe very well. That was incredible. What did you think?
Pretty epic.
I love their little faces. All they do is eat. They just eat and eat and eat. And I love their like squishy little faces, and they're eating, and their mouth is full of grass, and they have to go up to the top to get a breath, but they just keep eating. It's just like their grassy faces are so cute.
So we each had our older GoPro Sessions waterproof cameras.
Yeah.
Had them tied to our wrists, and we're just trying to just enjoy the day and film, so I have no idea what the footage is going to look like, but you will when you watch this.
It's cool. So we saw manatees and swam around them, and they also took us to the Jurassic Springs. Is that what they called it?
Jurassic Springs, yeah.
They found a mastodon skeleton in that area.
Yeah, when they years ago, which isn't from the Jurassic area, but
No.
not that I know these things, but
But
the guy told us that. That's
So
not from the mastodon.
If you come to River Ventures in Crystal River, Florida, and our captain was Wade and his wife Trish was our swimmer guide. They were fantastic. So ask for them when you come. They do scallop tours, which I'd love to do, but that's in July, August, September, which would be hot here.
Yeah. We're not too far north of Homosassa, which is where we did the airboat ride and around Monkey Island.
Yeah.
But that's a sister company to this.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. So we did a video on that, and super cool people there and here.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it was
highly recommend.
Yeah, it was a good time.
It's an experience.
It was not too long, not too short. When I said 3 hours, I'm like, that's a long time. But there's a lot of we spot some manatees, get out and swim with them, get back in, go to a different place.
Yeah.
Go to the springs and check that out. It was cool. But yeah, what an amazing animal. So I'm really looking forward to getting this footage and seeing what we got.
I know.
Kind of hope we got something.
I'm hungry too. We got that pistol out, and then we're gonna go hook up with Bruce and Karen and Phil again and grab some lunch. So we'll see you guys down the road. Carry on.
Carry on.
Hi, Mr. Girl.